Fascinating facts about insects, nature's incredible creatures. Butterflies taste with their feet, helping them find the right plants for laying eggs. Ants can lift objects 50 times their body weight, showcasing incredible strength and teamwork. Beetles are the most diverse group of insects, with over 350,000 species identified worldwide. Some insects communicate through pheromones, allowing them to share information effectively. Insects play vital roles in pollination, decomposition, and serving as food for other animals. Subscribe for more amazing facts about nature's wonders.